looks like hot dog. The plumps when you cook it. Cause we only got one night. Double your pleasure, double your fun. I'm gonna do it all one shot. It's a one shot for me. All or nothing.
Now peel it.
It's all or nothing, yeah. Do it like me.
Look at it first. Yeah, put lemon and
Salt.
salt. So maybe. Oh, you like it?
The juice?
Yeah.
It's pretty good so far.
Look at this guy. Okay.
Me, it was a scavenger. Look at that. Rawr. Good shit.
Why would you eat it all at once, dude? It's fucking hot.
Is that the hard stuff, Mil? You ate the whole thing? Shit's gonna be on YouTube.
What the title? Currently, it's a balot.
No, what's his name? Fred Savage's brother ate balot.
Corey Matthews. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
You can eat it piece by piece. So if you want to start with the
Just do a one shot. Take it
It's
all.
too hot.
I just want to get his face impression.
I think you should do it piece by piece then. Eat the hard part first.
Put some later.
Now put squeeze lemon on it a little bit.
Lemon? You
Why
charge
are you
$1?
laughing, dude?
Charge $1 for that song.
I spent a lot of money buying plastic.
How is it?
That part's chewy, right?
Sure.
Yeah. That part you're supposed to eat with the yolk.
It's like chewing on rubber. Like an eraser.
Yeah.
Eraser?
Where's the baby at? Oh, there it is. See the white thing?
Yeah.
Ah. See the feather?
Oh.
It's good. 8 seconds or more?
So what, just
One shot. One
If
shot.
you want. If you want a one shot or if you want to pick it apart, look at the bird real fast before you eat it.
Come on. You have to use your hand.
You Asian fool.
Kinana to yun.
Bottoms up. There it is.
Eat it. Oh, come on.
You guys are assholes.
Not bad at all.
He closed his eyes. Closed his eyes like.
Oh, you're turning red, Curly.
It's not. You don't taste the bird at all, right?
It's just hot.
Yeah. But it's good, right?